Hey guys, we're out here at the Mid-America Truck Show, standing here in front of this beautiful 389. Beautiful 389 by the Davis brothers. They did a stellar job on the truck, and we're super proud that we were able to help them out with it. We're just going to walk around it and show you a few of the things we were able to help them out with on it. Of course, we've got our quilted stainless battery boxes on both sides. We just looked at those inside, and to match them, these are a set of 100-inch full radius 304 stainless quilted fenders. Really good touch, really brings the theme of it together, I think. This is another example of the high to def tank that we've talked about, obviously a painted version. We also were able to chip in a fuel tank crossover, front and rear center panels. Right here's the rear panel. Got a nice inset in it, but overall very simple, very clean, and just can't say enough good about this truck. And right now I'm going to talk to you about something I don't normally talk about lighting. This truck is decked out with the legendary lights. You've got your cab lights, your mirror lights, your smaller 3/4 inch round hole style miniature watermelons on the breather panels, all down your cabin sleeper panels. Of course, an added detail on this truck is they're also on the inside of the cabin sleeper panels. And then on your fuel tank crossover on both center panels. Hey, we just noticed more. The whole trailer is also decked out in them. I started to say clear back to the back of the truck, but all the way from the front of the truck all the way to the back of the trailer. Here's a different style yet. So our full size watermelons with the larger bezel on them. And we'll just see what they've got on the back of the trailer too. More of the legendaries underneath. And again, your watermelon style lenses with the larger bezel that take the place of that 4-inch round light. But overall, they did a stellar job, and we're proud that we were able to help them out with some parts on the truck.